Hi, and welcome to the How-To from Tenantcube. My name is Andrews Moses. I'm the founder and CEO at Tenantcube. I really wanted to take this opportunity to thank you for getting in and trying our product during our beta stage. Now, when we built this Tenantcube from a tenant perspective, our logic and our strategy was to make life easy for a tenant. Today, we know that you would have to fill multiple PDFs, have it emailed, have documents going back and forth. Our idea or our logic is that tenants has to be able to simply save that as a complete information or package and reuse the application. Now, how we envision that and built that is that right now I'm going to show you a profile or an application that has a co-applicant information, where all that I've done is when you get onboarded, you can create a profile, go through basic information. Again, feel free to give as little as information as you're comfortable with. Go through the process, right? I mean, it's a simple step-by-step process. You go through it, you go through the references. And once you get to the end of it, you continue, you just kind of upload additional documents you need. As you go through the profile, we will also request documents along the way to help you kind of have a better chance of getting approved when you submit an application. Now that the application is completed, you can do the same for the co-applicant, which I've already completed for this demonstration. Once that is completed, now that you've done it one time, you don't have to recreate the application or fill another PDF ever. And that is the entire idea behind this. You got a simple profile. Now, let's say you go see a property, you like it, and you want to send an application. Now, instead of you having to wait for the landlord to send you a PDF and you fill it and email it back to them, you proactively can email that particular application that you've created right to any landlord within a few seconds. Now, once you've done that, you can submit this application. Right, so that's the simple part of it. Now, one other thing that we have also included in this product is that if you look at the application section, while you create a new application, you want to send it to a landlord. If, let's say, for example, for some reason, this particular applicant, you want them to fill that information instead of you having to provide that information, you can easily invite additional co-applicants to your application. So this way, you fill your data, the co-applicant fills their data, and once it's all completed, the completed application will be automatically sent to the landlord. Again, it just saves time. If there is any communication back and forth with the landlord, it all happens right here, and you will be able to simply submit additional documents and go through the entire process. Today, we have the application module. We are working on the onboarding of signing lease online and rent payments, etc., which is going to be released in the next few weeks, and I welcome you to stay tuned. And if you have any questions, send us an email at support@tenantcube.com.